the metaphysical and the phenomenological aspect of mental disorder, because there's a specific type of atypicals or non-neurotypicals who have a sort of tapestry. There's a sort of interconnectivity they have with what we perceive as reality. So my infatuation is in that area itself. When you get into areas like existentialism and epistemology, one idea is solipsism, where a person goes into mania and they take on all these different sort of philosophical approach. One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmenting, their philosophy change, their ideology of reality change. So those are the areas I find intriguing, and not so much what because there's a sort of dichotomy in terms of what causes certain mental disorder. One is a biological predisposition, and others is environmental.